Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be delivering all the hottest and latest events happening in the crypto space. For today's top stories, Bitcoin price cracks $30,000 mark, which could clear path for several altcoins to surge. FBI charges 6 individuals for allegedly operating illegal money transmitting business using crypto. Bitcoin use continues to grow as increasing number of French stores are now accepting BTC as payment. Hong Kong authorities crack down on crypto money launderers in aftermath of JPEX scandal. Crypto market analyst explains why XRP is exhibiting lackluster performance despite bullish sentiments across entire market. If this is your first time watching our videos, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel dedicated to delivering all the latest stories happening in the crypto space. We also upload daily market report videos for crypto traders and investors to take a closer look at Bitcoin's daily market performance. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a huge thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Make sure that you also hit that bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on any groundbreaking news reports that may help you with your trades in the crypto market. You can also share our videos with your friends who may be interested. Lastly, we'd like to know what you think, so don't forget to leave a comment below. Now, let's move on and discuss today's headlines. To kick things off, Bitcoin recently cracked the $30,000 mark, which could also clear the path for several altcoins to surge. Bitcoin had a good week last week, with prices rising about 10% to reach the psychologically important level of $30,000. Investors are worried about whether the uptrend will continue or if a reversal may occur following the Bitcoin rally. Expert market analysts are saying that Bitcoin may soon break above its overhead resistance and start a sharp rally. The analysts believe that the approval of the Exchange Traded Fund, or ETF, will drive mass adoption that will trigger Bitcoin to rally before the halving that's believed to be scheduled for April 2024. Several ETF providers amended their filings over multiple days in the past week, alongside pressure on the US SEC to soften its stance on a Bitcoin ETF approval. Earlier this week, 4 House Financial Services Committee members urged the SEC to listen to the courts and give up efforts to block Bitcoin ETFs from regulatory approval. Elsewhere, hope of a Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, or GBTC, being converted into an ETF has caused excitement among traders. GBTC is one of the largest institutional Bitcoin holdings, and Grayscale is among several other asset managers who have applied for a Bitcoin spot ETF. Other major firms in the race for a Bitcoin spot ETF include BlackRock, Fidelity, and WisdomTree. Traders are also saying that ruling in Grayscale's favor could tilt the overall sentiment into a bullish one and even set the bedrock for a broader market climb for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market in general. Senior trader at Metalfa, Lucy Hu, stated that the SEC opted for a no appeal on Grayscale's ruling. She added that as the deadline for BTC spot ETF applications looms closer, the market's confidence in ETF approval has significantly increased. Hu also stated that with the Bitcoin ETF approval and the highly anticipated halving event in April, the crypto market could kickstart a very robust bull market. The recent Bitcoin rally also showed that it had a positive effect on the crypto market in general. Bitcoin's strength rubbed off on several altcoins, which also experienced a surge above their respective overhead resistance levels. Analysts believe that the market sentiment is gradually turning positive, and it may be time to consider buying selectively. Typically, the coins that lead the markets higher are the ones that tend to do well. In other news, the FBI charges 6 individuals with allegedly operating an illegal money transfer business using cryptocurrencies. According to the filing, the accused knowingly conducted an illegal business by using the darknet to convert Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies into cash. The investigation led to the FBI arresting and charging 6 individuals for operating an illegal $30 million money transmitting business using cryptocurrencies. According to reports, the 6 suspects operated without an appropriate money transmitting license in the state of New York. The details, which were disclosed in the unsealed affidavit of an FBI agent seeking the individual's arrest, revealed that between July 2021 and September 2023, the suspects conducted the illegal business by using the darknet to convert Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies into cash. The U.S. magistrate judge has granted the conditional release of at least one of the suspects, according to a court document. The filing also cites an unidentified co-conspirator as saying that at least some clients made money by selling drugs and that the wealthiest clients were hackers. The co-conspirator told an undercover officer that he had made approximately $30 million over 3 years through the exchange of cash for virtual currency. During the investigation, authorities arrested an individual who was alleged to have been mailing packages of cash on behalf of the unnamed co-conspirator from a post office in Westchester County, New York. The arrested individual would eventually become a confidential source and, for the next 8 months, cooperate with the authorities in approximately 80 controlled pickups of cash that totaled approximately $15 million. There were photos and videos of the accused persons saying that the defendants are not registered and do not have a licensed money transfer business, which is what the state of New York requires. These were included in the filing. Moving on, Bitcoin is seeing a rise in practical usage as an increasing number of French stores are now accepting the cryptocurrency as payment. In recent reports, a growing number of French stores are now accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. The stores range from large shopping malls to traditional restaurants. The fast-growing group now includes Bouchon Comptoir Brunette, a Lyon-based bouchon, which is a type of eatery specific to the Lyon area. According to the French media outlet, the eatery became a hit for Bitcoin enthusiasts since it adopted BTC in 2021. The restaurant even went as far as creating a Bitcoin aperitif event held every first Wednesday of every month where only BTC payments are authorized to help boost interest in BTC as a form of payment. Presently, Bitcoin is steadily gaining traction in France as French stores rush to adopt BTC and other cryptocurrencies as a valid form of payment for goods and services. There's already a fast-growing group of BTC and altcoin-friendly merchants emerging in France. In June, the shopping malls Le Tranquille in Tours, Les Rives de l'Orne in Caen, Steel in Saint-Étienne, and Muse in Metz announced that their stores would start accepting payment in a range of crypto assets. A large Parisian pharmacy also started accepting crypto payments this year. Even Burger King's Paris branches have installed new mobile phone charging stations to accept crypto payments. In other news, Hong Kong authorities have begun cracking down on crypto money launderers in the aftermath of the JPEX scandal. Hong Kong's Customs and Excise Department is looking to tighten regulatory measures to address the money laundering risks associated with cash for crypto shops. Following the alleged $192.7 million fraud by the JPEX crypto exchange, Hong Kong authorities detained some of these store owners, which led to the decision. The Customs and Excise Department of Hong Kong is in charge of traditional money changes. However, over-the-counter crypto exchange shops currently operate without licensing or regulatory oversight. Some of these shops openly promoted JPEX's investment offerings, which the Securities and Futures Commission deemed too good to be true. Customs and Excise Commissioner Louise Ho Pui Shan stated that Hong Kong regulatory bodies are reviewing options to fill the regulatory gaps exposed by the JPEX scandal. Speaking on television, Ho stated that there are two aspects to regulating these OTC exchange shops. The first aspect involves combating money laundering and terrorist financing, and the other is investor protection. According to Ho, both of these aspects need to be considered in order to improve Hong Kong's crypto regulatory regime. Ho added that financial technology is becoming more mature and has observed increasing activity in virtual asset transactions. She continued by saying that because the transactions are more covert and are not time or place restricted, criminals can easily use this for money laundering. Bitrace, a blockchain analytics firm, reported that some Tether tokens processed in online wallets associated with JPEX were linked to money laundering and online gambling, which raises concerns about the contamination of the tokens. To wrap things up, expert crypto market analysts explain why the XRP is exhibiting a lackluster performance despite bullish sentiments rising across the crypto markets. Historically, Bitcoin's performance has had a profound effect on other cryptocurrencies, or altcoins. Bitcoin recently rallied and experienced a surge in its price. The recent Bitcoin rally also affected altcoins, which also experienced a surge in their prices. However, XRP seems to have been left behind. The XRP recently attempted a breakthrough, which is evident from its daily charts. However, the attempt didn't push through, and many analysts explain why XRP failed to join the rally and exhibited a lackluster performance in the crypto markets. According to market experts, the first issue with XRP is its lack of trading volume and liquidity. A healthy trading volume is often an indicator of strong investor interest and robust market activity. In order for a cryptocurrency to surge, it needs to have substantial trading volume backing its price movements. A low trading volume, which XRP recently displayed, could signify a lack of investor interest or confidence. This would eventually lead to price stagnation or even a decline. Furthermore, expert analysts explain that the aftermath of the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple and its CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, still looms large. While the SEC has already dropped the charges against Garlinghouse, the incident might have left an indelible mark on the reputation of the XRP. Experts added that we need to remember that the cryptocurrency market operates largely on investor sentiment and that past events can often influence future market behaviors. XRP's failure to gain traction after this legal ordeal is a testament to the lingering doubts in the minds of potential investors. At the moment, major cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, are experiencing major growth as market sentiment changes to bullish. In such a bullish environment, XRP's inability to match pace with its peers raises eyebrows. According to expert analysts, if the general market sentiment is optimistic and a particular asset fails to capitalize on it, the reason often transcends mere market dynamics. These are all the latest news stories we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed our video. Before you go, don't forget to check out our daily market report video to take a closer look at Bitcoin's daily market performance. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. Thank you, and have a great day.